How to redeem eBay gift card. Let's get started. First up, launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're going to find the search box. Type in ebay.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website. Now provide your credentials of eBay accounts and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Now firstly, you have to select the items that you want to purchase. So I have selected this t-shirt. I'm going to add this item to the cart. Once we're done with selecting the items and adding those items to the cart, proceed to checkout. Click on the option of go to checkout. Once we're in the checkout page, you have to provide your shipping address. Likewise, select your payment method. And you will see this section of gift card, coupons and eBay bucks. Clicking on that option, you'll get this option over here, enter code. Now here you have to type in your gift card code and click on apply. And now you can click on confirm and pay. With that, your eBay gift card will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily redeem your eBay gift card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.